What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. Today we're working on Betsy. Just doing a little oil change as of right now. Getting in the third brake light. New F1 third brake light from Subi Mods.
Full black tint, baby.
Super clean. Super easy. There's all the wiring. So this needs to get popped out. We already got that popped out. We took the clips off. We got access, took the clip off. We got access to the backlight as well. And then we already cut out the necessary spot for the brake light. So this just pops right off. It's just clips. And then you just cut it with the knife in the middle. And now we can get the brake light mounted up and in there. And then wire it all up.
Nice.
Oh, dude, that's badass. That's badass. Alright, guys, so we're gonna feed the harness that connects to the taillights first. You take out this little plastic cover, you just pop that out, and that's where we're gonna feed the taillight. Sorry, I'm holding the GoPro while I'm doing this. But I'm gonna have Zach feed that while we go into here. Alright, we're gonna want to pop these two clips.
We need it.
So those are the clips, guys, that you gotta take out. You can work around them, but it's just easier access. So you can kind of drop the bumper a little bit.
If it wants to come out.
If it wants to come out, these clips are always a bitch. There it goes.
Got it.
Unbroken.
Oh, well, my eye.
Nice.
Next one, all you.
Alright, guys, we got the brake light mounted. So the bolts that come with the F1 brake lights are either 10mm or a Phillips. But a Phillips screwdriver is way too hard to get into here. Alright, guys, we got the brake light mounted in. You gotta connect it down there.
Just plug it into this little splitter.
And you just plug it into that splitter that it comes with. And then this gets plugged into the back light.
Some ATF.
Some ATF, ooh.
Move my entire steering rack with that.
So now once you get that harness plugged in, take the other end, you plug it into the splitter, and you just connect it into your tail light so it can read off of your tail lights.
I'm assuming. I hope aftermarket taillights won't mess this up. White goes into white, gray goes into gray.
That's what I'm thinking.
No, that's a male and female, so. White goes into gray, and gray goes into white.
Yeah.
Boom. Alright, homie, go start the car.
Yes, sir.
Please don't start it because there's no oil in there. Just turn on the lights. No spare tire for more speed, baby. This shit is. No, yeah, just put it in and turn it. Should turn on the lights. No. The cruise control start flashing.
She on?
Yeah. No, you gotta turn the lights. Oh! Oh! That.
Super clean. Oh, I needed that.
You want to pull that film off?
Yeah.
What's this thing on this?
Super clean.
You want to go hit it, see if it does anything? Nope. Alright, we might need to program it. Because this paper did come with it. The light unit comes with a small trick to switch on and off for the F1 passenger brake feature. You turn it off and on 3 times while I step on the brake.
Oh no, I'm supposed to turn it off and on 3 times.
While you step on the brake.
While I'm stepping on the brake?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's flashing.
How about now?
Now it's flashing.
Put the light off for us.
Alright guys, so we're just trying to activate the flash. There it is. Oh, that's clean. Oh yeah. Super clean. Such an easy mod.
It was very easy.
Such an easy mod.
That matches the tail light's perfect, you know?
Yeah, it does. It does match the taillights. Alright, so now that we got the brake light in, working, let's get some oil back in Betsy. Get the drain plug back in.
Get that drain plug on there nice and tight.
Yep.
So are you?
Still working on Betsy?
Just got the 3rd brake light and go keep it.
My car?
Mine.
Oh.
Very easy, so we're definitely doing on yours.
Put my shoes on.
Hang on 2 seconds. I think Emma's we're gonna have to cut one. I think it already breaks off. Let me take it out. Yeah, that was fucking nasty. Yes.
Ooh, is that for Zach?
Yes, it is. We'll put that on right now.
Show the camera. Ooh, guys, alright, so we got the filter on. Can barely see, but new filter's on. Drain plug's in. Emmy just made that for Betsy. Super
She
clean
made
to
it for
replace the
Zach.
cob. Super, super clean. Alright, oil change is done. Pressure just shut off. There we go. Motor's running mid. How's she look?
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Let me know if she's flashing.
Woo.
Flash? Just comes on?
No, it's not even coming on.
Huh? Oh, maybe because I'm pushing in the clutch.
Yeah, it's flashing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, that's sick. That's sick. Scooby's does not flash. We got the Scooby fam here. We got Sylvie looking clean. We got the Outback. I doing coming in soon. Sylvie's looking clean. Scooby's looking clean. Booby's gonna be getting in for an oil change next.